Let's say in the future you're exploring other planets and your spaceship just accidentally crash landed on a mystery planet. You can't ask the alien what planet you're on, you have to try and figure it out for yourself. So we would use this formula here. So back on Earth, the physicist normally comes up with formulas. We don't know where the formula comes from, we're just going to use it. So to figure out what planet you're on, undo your shoelace and tie a piece of stone to it. Time how long it takes to do one swing. Let's just say T here, the time it takes to do one swing, equals time it. Let's just say it takes 4 seconds. Measure the length of the string, let's say 2 meters. So length of the string, L here, is 2. And we've got to figure out G, the gravitational pull of this planet. So we want to know G, so let's make G the subject. When you look at this, you've got to imagine this as like one block times another block. We want to get G on its own because we're trying to figure out the gravitational pull of the planet. So kill off this this block here. So divide both sides by 2 pi. So take the T down, divided by 2 pi. This divided by 2 pi would then be root L over G. We want to get G on its own, so let's square both sides. So squaring this would mean get this thing times by its exact same self. Hang on. Get this thing times by its exact same self. So when you square this, top times top, that would be T squared. Bottom times bottom, that would be 4 pi squared. When you square this, it would be L over G. Now take the reciprocal of both sides. That will then give us G over L. 4 pi squared over T squared, and then we want to get G on its own, so times both sides by L. So that would then be 4 pi squared L over T squared equals G. So now we can just now that we've got the formula, gravity is equal to 4 times pi squared times the length of the string divided by the square of the time it takes to do one swing. So we would put, remember this is L, the length of the string, put 2 into the L, put 4 into the capital T. So that will then give us this, 4 pi squared times the length of the string, which is 2, divided by this thing squared, so 4 squared. That will then give us gravity. Jump to your calculator, punch this in. It should come up to roughly 4 point something. 4 point, I think, 4 point something. So what that means is gravity on Earth is roughly 10. Gravity on the moon is roughly 1.622. Gravity on Mars is roughly 3.7. Gravity on Jupiter is roughly 24. So our mystery planet is 4 point something. So it's got to be. So we can guess our planet to be slightly less than Earth, but bigger than the moon. Probably bigger than Mars, slightly bigger than Mars. So you can get a rough indication of the size of your planet. Okay.